Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224111064 Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about debt management. Debt management is a payment plan oriented through a third-party credit counseling agency that set a net payment schedule and terms that can help you pay your debt more affordably according to your current ability to pay or even faster. Debt management is usually offered to borrowers who credit counselors them unable to repay their loans based on a review of their finance. Debt management plans generally include insured debt loans not secured by collateral, such as credit card debt, KTA, or KPR. Debt management plan. A debt management plan includes a series of steps where third-party service work with the help of the person in debt. The fifth step usually involves combining all creditor lists and the amounts owed to each creditor. Some creditors are not eligible to be included in a debt management plan, and typically secured debt such as car and home loans are not included. When creditor data is combined and debt amount are added up, the debtor income and expenses such as rent payment, care payment, housing expenses are also added up. The third party assists with the debt management plan and then helps the debtor determine the maximum amount of money available to allocate to the debt repayment plan. Their party service will try to set some amount of debt and exclude or lower the interest charged during the payment period. Debt management objectivities. Debt management is one way to manage debt so that it goes according to plan. Debt management aims to help borrowers obtain funds or assets to pay off their debts. In this way, the risk of default can be avoided. Good planning can make borrowers pay off their debts according to their financial condition, and the borrowers get their money back and minimize further worsening of their financial condition. Benefit of debt management service: manage all debts and make them into monthly payment that the person in debt can afford. Arrange and negotiate with the creditor to reduce the man's interest and cost of debt payment on behalf of the person in debt. Debt management can reduce overall payment and freeze interest or penalty charges. Become a personal financial manager who is willing to help and provide guidance on financial management. How does debt management work? In most cases, the process goes as follows. According to the legal framework of each country, the process can be driven either by a credit counselor that the customer has chosen or by the lender, bank, loan service, DCA, in case a counselor in chosen non-profit or profit will act as the middleman and will try to negotiate lower interest rate for the insured debt of the debtor. Otherwise, this specific part of process will take place by the lender. Time solves, then both parties will create a plan according to the budget that the customer afford to pay. At this point, the credit counselor or the lender are helping the customer to create a 3-5 year plan to repay their debt. The plan is always a result of the counselor negotiation with the lender of the lender and customer combination with the financial situation of the borrower. This makes it a realistic option for people who have a hard time settling their debt. From the financial institution side, they can negotiate a customer retail debt after utilizing a debt management software that will give them insight about the customer and their financial image. Next comes the monthly payment of the borrower to the credit counseling office or the lender, including potential fees that might come up in the case of consular. When they receive the payment, they are responsible for paying the bills on the lender on behalf of the debtor. Otherwise, the payment is going straight to the lender. 5 aspects of debt management. There are several reasons for a customer to get involved with a debt management plan. First, it helps borrowers make their payment on time according to their monthly available budget. Also, it enables them improve their credit score over time by being prudent in their transaction, and they are rather flexible, meaning that they can adapt to financial circumstances of each client. However, at some point, the debtor might have to work with an unknown middleman, or in case payment is misses, the plan will stop being in force and the interest rates will return to where they were. Debt management approach. While debt management is a sensitive topic for customer and business alike, in the past 5 years, creditors have been reinventing their process. Their assertiveness when it comes to debt collection has been replaced by their desire to collaborate with each debtor and on a more tailored basis. What's more, they have been investing in the creation of the bespoke solution for their customer in order to enable them to meet their financial obligation on time. Tips for good debt management. Debt management is very important knowledge for parties who are in debt. Good faith in completing this obligation is very necessary so that the obligation that must be paid are immediately resolved. Digital banks can help maintain cash flow so they can prioritize debt payment as agreed. In terms of debt settlement, digital banking is a technology that makes it easier for customers to collect money so they can immediately get rid of their obligation. Some tips for good debt management that can be done include: 1. Plan well. The first step to being able to resolve debt that are already large is to make the best possible plan. Take advantage of digital banks to consolidate expenses and maximize existing funds so that the goal of being free from loans can be achieved immediately. When preparing a debt settlement plan, you must be rational, considering all the potential income and obligation that must still be fulfilled while resolving the debt. A careless plan will not have good impact in dealing with problem. They will actually trigger the emergence of new problem. So debt consolidation. If you have a lot of debt and are confused about how to pay it, then you can do debt consolidation. Debt consolidation, or often called debt connection, can be a way to make it easier to pay larger debts. Here, customer can experience debt in one installment. 3. Utilize all exciting asset. The next way that can be done to be free from debt bondage is to utilize all exciting asset. Steps that can be taken are auctioning or selling them. Apart from that, you can also increase the financial benefits such as renting out the property you own. The goal is to collect as much money as possible to reduce the amount of debt you have. That's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.